You are a fresher, you want to be a software developer, you want to learn coding. Now what infrastructure you will use, what coding method you will use, from where you will code, everything I will tell you in this video. If you follow this video, if you do what information I am telling in this video, then you can imagine yourself after 30 days, after 1 month, or after 2 months, you can imagine yourself that you are sitting inside a big corporate company while you are doing coding there. Let's go to the PC screen.
So the best free environment or website where you can learn coding or programming is W3 schools. So if you search here in Google you can search here W3 school, and if you click here then you will find all the tutorial videos. Okay, all the tutorial videos as well as try it yourself. The editor, while you do any changes, let's say I'm doing my first, if I put inside I put 2 and I will run, then here you can see the changes has been reflected. This is the live editor where you can learn and edit your codes. Now apart from HTML, CSS, all the tutorial like JavaScript programming in Python, Java, C, C++, server side like SQL, web building, web template, XML tutorial and all, everything is present in this platform, and the platform is called W3 School. This is the world's largest web developer site. Detail, if you want to learn detail in web development like PHP, .NET, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, I have separate playlist in my YouTube channel also where you can check out and you can learn there also.
If you like this kind of technical informational video, you can subscribe to my channel. However, you can check out my other important videos in my YouTube channel itself. So right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.